Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain few terms associated with magnetic effect of electric current, especially a magnet. Yesterday I have explained a magnet shows two type of property: attractive property and directive property. Attractive property means attraction of magnetic material by a magnet, and directive property means showing a particular direction when suspended freely. Today I am going to explain magnetic field, a term related to magnet, that is magnetic field. I have written here that a space around a magnet where magnetic force can be felt is called magnetic field. Each and every magnet has certain region, certain area up to which its force is effective. This area, this region, this space is known as magnetic field. Just like the game of cricket, field means a certain area covered by the ball. Similarly, each and every magnet has its surrounding where magnetic force can be experienced. This is known as magnetic field. Magnetic field may be stronger or weaker, that depend on the nature of the magnet. If the magnet is stronger, its field will be more and more. If the magnet is weaker, its field will be less and it cover less area. Now second term is here, magnetic field lines. All of you know a magnet exerts a force on magnetic materials. So there must be a line, curved lines, path along which this force is effective. I have written on the board the path traced by north pole of a magnet. North pole of a magnet. Of a magnet, if it is free to move, is called magnetic field lines. This means if north pole is allowed to move, what are the paths adopted by north pole? This is known as magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are generally curved. These are the curved lines. At each and every point the curved lines, a force exerted by the magnet, that path, that lines are known as magnetic field lines. This means magnetic field lines gives the path of motion of north pole of a magnet. Suppose that I am drawing a figure here. This is a magnet. If north pole is free to move, it adopts a path like this. This is magnetic field line. This is the path traced by the unit north pole. This is magnetic field lines. Okay. Now the another things. What are the characteristics of magnetic field lines? What are the characteristics? These characteristics are applicable for the magnetic field lines. So first characteristics, first property, magnetic field lines start from north pole and end at south pole. From where magnetic field line start? It originates from north pole and goes to south pole. First property, first characteristics. Second is here, magnetic field lines do not cross one another. This means magnetic field lines do not intersect one another, because at each and every point on the curved lines, the direction of force is certain, that is particular direction. If two lines intersect each other, this indicates that at the same point magnetic force exert in two different directions, which is not possible. Magnetic field lines are closer, very close, near the poles of the magnet and widely separated or moving away from the poles. This means if we are very close to the magnet, field lines are very, very close. Just like this, if I draw a figure here, this is magnetic field lines very close to one another. But when we move away from the magnet, it is moving far away like this, widely separated or moving away from the magnet. Clear? So there are three main properties of magnetic field lines. They do not cross one another. It starts from north pole, goes to south pole, and magnetic field lines are closer near the poles and widely separated on moving away from the poles. Thanks, that's all.